Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome to my channel. Thanks so much for stopping by and spending some time with me today. I really appreciate it. Today I've got my latest Fashom box to share with you. Actually, I have 3 new boxes to share. They all came with this on the same day. Oh, Robin, there's your girl. You missed her, right? She needed to make an appearance. Anyway, so I have 3 boxes. I figured let's be logical. Let's choose the one that has the quickest turnaround time, and that is Fashom. So I will leave a link below if you want to learn more about Fashom or if you want to try it for yourself. And I'll kind of talk about it as I go through. I did open the box and I did go through the items because it was pouring rain yesterday and the box was underneath the porch, and it was covered, but it was still soaking wet, so I wanted to make sure nothing was damaged before I pulled it out and showed you. So luckily everything is fine. So I'll just kind of go through. I wanted to do a true unboxing, but since I already looked at everything, we won't. We'll just kind of go through things as I try them on. But with Fashom, you do pay a $15 styling fee. However, your first box, your styling fee is waived. After that, you pay a $15 styling fee, and that does get credited to anything in your box that you keep. You do get 5 items. You pick your 5 items though, because after you fill out your style profile and request the box, you kind of get a preview of things that your stylist selected for you. And I think you get up to 8 items and you can select 5 to be sent to you. You have 3 days to try everything on at home. Whatever you don't want or you're not gonna keep goes back in this prepaid mailer. So shipping is free both ways, and they use USPS, so you just drop it off at the post office. It's really easy. And then you get an envelope with an information card, which is nice. Kind of lays out the steps if you're new to Fashom. I'm not sure what Lexi's doing. She's like half on, half off. She's just kind of hanging out. And then your invoice, which has your styling note, your stylist note, and I have Mal's, and she is just fantastic. I love having her as my stylist. She does such a great job. And obviously the price sheet too. On here, the new discount system is listed, so you get 30% for keeping all 5 items, which is really nice. And then you get 25% off if you keep 3 or 4 items. So that's really cool. And they do have exchanges sometimes if it's available. So if you need a different size and they have one, they will send you it. So that's a little bit about Fashom. I think I just requested like bright colored things. I kind of remembered asking for like summer colors, and I think I said no blue denim. And when I got my preview, she listened, and so I'm excited to try everything on because I have not tried everything on yet. So let's do that. Okay, so the first top I have on is by Chris and Carol, and this is the Floral knit tunic top. It's $38. It is 95% rayon and 5% spandex. So it's pretty cute. I do like the length. It's very comfortable and it's very soft. So I do like the material of this, and I like the length of it. I kind of like the cut and the style of it too. The background of the top is kind of like a deeper teal blue, so I think it's really pretty, and I do like the color of the floral print too. I also want to show you the short sleeve. They kind of have a cutout detail, so I like that. I think it's really cute. I don't own any like cold shoulder or short sleeve top, so I think that's pretty cute. And the neckline's nice too. Oh, she's coming back again. She wants to just be with us, I guess. So I do like the cut of the sleeves too. It's not too short and they're not too long either. So it's not a bad top. I'm just not, what do you think? Let me know. All right, I'm gonna try on the next top and I'll be right back. All right, so this top is by Gilli. This is the scoop neck woven top. This is $44 and it's 100% polyester. So on the preview, when I got it, I almost didn't select this top. I am so happy that I selected this top. I love it. I think it's a beautiful color. This baby kind of blue color, this light blue color, I should say. Neckline is perfect for me. I still have room for my nice statement necklaces. The sleeve detail is really what I like. It's kind of got like, it's almost like a bell sleeve, a 3/4 bell sleeve. And I just love the detail here on each of the sleeves. I think that's so pretty. I will back up because I want you to see the length. It's a great length too. Not too long, not too short, perfect. This is a great work top. I'll wear this to work a lot in the spring and summer, so I'm really excited. So happy to have received this top. It's so comfortable too. All right, this is definitely a keeper. I don't need any help with this one, so let's try on the next one because I think I'm gonna need some help with the next couple of items, so I'll be right back. Okay, so this top is also by Gilli. This is the snake print tiered top. It's $42. This is also 100% polyester. I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about this one. So I did receive a snakeskin top in one of my other, not snakeskin, but snake print top in one of my other boxes. And I didn't keep it because the neckline was just off. And I had put in the comments that I probably would have kept it if it had like a normal tank. So I don't know. I'm gonna show you a few things. So right here, it's kind of got some stitching. And I don't know if you can kind of see how that's kind of how it's cut. It's hard because I feel like you can't really see it because of the print. And then it's almost like, that's why they call it a tiered top. It's almost like a peplum style top too, because there's more stitching like right here. And then it just kind of flows on the bottom. So I'm not sure. I'm really on the fence about this one. I can't make up my mind. I like it. The neckline's not bad. It does have too underneath like a white lining, so the top is lined. So this one is not as breathable as the other tops that I tried on so far. I don't know. I like it, but I don't. So I'm kind of stuck. So I need your help with this one. Please let me know what you think. All right, I have one more top to try on and one more pair of pants, and I'll be right back with those. All right, so we're gonna start with the top, and this is by Staccato, and this is the V-neck drop shoulder trim detail top. It's $38. It is 100% rayon. So I saw Kelly Scheffner unbox and try on her latest fashion box, and she did receive this top, and it looked really great on her. However, she was talking about how the fabric, since it's 100% rayon, it's very wrinkly, and it is. I can tell that if I wore this, it would just wrinkle like crazy. And I don't really think I care for this for myself. It just doesn't flatter me. It looked adorable on her, but it doesn't do anything for me. I like the V-neck. I like the length of this top. The colors are really pretty. I just want to point out too that the majority of the shirt is that pink and green stripe, but here are the really pretty like kind of like shades of purple and some mustard yellow with the white. So I like that mixed in too. But it just doesn't do anything for me. All right, I'm gonna talk about the jeans. I have on these jeans. They are D jeans, and they are the high waist ankle jeans. They're $55. So they're pink. They're really cute. I do like the color. I have a pair of pink jeans already though, so I don't know that I need another pair of pink jeans. They're very comfortable. What I will say about this brand is that I don't have to cuff them. They are a great length. Whoops. Oh, they ended up cuffed on their own. So let me just fix that. But I am sure I am only 5'2", so normally jeans are hard for me to find the perfect length, and these fit me perfectly as far as the length. So thumbs up to Fashom for sending me some great jeans. All right, I don't know what she's barking at, but let me come right back and we will do a quick recap. All right, so I'm back for a quick recap. So what'd you think of the box? Not bad, right? The pink jeans, although they are cute, I like the color of them. I think they're going back because I already have a pair of pink jeans, pretty much the exact same shade, but these were very comfortable. So if you're looking for a pair of colored jeans, these are pretty affordable and they're very comfortable. They fit me really nicely too. So if you're on the shorter side, you might want to try out the D Jeans brand, because my first time trying them and I'm really impressed. I think it's my first time trying them. I don't remember ever trying them. I could have, but I tried so many things that I forget, but I think they would stand out because I liked them. All right, this top by Staccato is gonna go back because one, it's very wrinkly, and I just don't think I'd pull for it. I don't think it flatters me. I don't think the cut flatters me. I'm not sure about the color combination for me either. Someone wants to steal the show today. I think she wants to be the star. She might be a little bit jealous. So, and then this top by Gilli, I don't think I'm gonna keep this either. I'm not sure though. I keep going back and forth with this one because there's two tops that I'm really thinking about keeping, and if I keep a third, I get 25% off, but I don't wanna just keep doing that. I don't want to keep clothing just to get the discount. I do like the print of this because you know I'm an animal print lover. I just don't know. I'm gonna need your help, and you can see the seaming detail a little bit better from here and then again on the bottom right there. So that's why it's called a tiered top. I don't know, you let me know what you think about the style for me. And then I am definitely keeping this blue top. I thought it looked great. I think it's a great work top. The color is good for me. I love the sleeve detail. So I'm excited about this one because I will get a lot of use out of this for work. So that's perfect. And then I'm on the fence about this one. And the reason why I'm on the fence, I like the cut and I like the style of this top. I'm just not sure about the colors for me. What do you think? Or maybe it's the pattern. If the floral pattern, is it too big of a floral print? It's not really too small. What do you think? Let me know. But so far I definitely have one yes and then two maybes and two no's. So I'm curious to hear what you think, and I always love talking to you in the comment section, so please let me know what you think. You guys are all fantastic, so I really appreciate you coming back and spending some time with me. It does mean a lot to me to have you all here. And like I said in the beginning, I've got more boxes to share with you. Don't worry, I won't do it all at once because it might be too much Kayla, too high of a dose of Kayla for you. So I'll kind of spread them out so we're not doing it all at once. But stick around because I will be back really soon with more clothing videos, all right? Until then, have a great day.